Hello there, this is Dave Allen for Good and Geeky, and someone wants to know how to embed a draft in another draft. And it's not too difficult, so let's have a go and see what we can do. So now the way to do it is to go to your actions, go to the visit directory. So when you get into the action directory, what you're going to need to look for is action groups, and you want the Thought Asylum. You might need to set up the Thought Asylum main group and then get the other action group called management. Okay, so this is the one we're going to look for. And read through this bit here, and when you've read through it here, go to the bit there at the bottom where it says install. I've installed this already, and here's a list of the included actions you get with this here, okay? Quite a lot of actions to play with there. But what we're going to do is going to use this action. I want to embed a draft that I've got elsewhere in this draft. So let's get the actions up there here. You can find it by doing a search. So I want to embed a draft. So tap on that one there, and so I can select from whatever's in my inbox here. So I'm going to do this one here, try not to use electric, and it's embedded that draft in that thing here. And if I go to this one here, and we see this is what it's going to look like. So we've got a draft in there and it's done. Okay, so what about if you make changes to the draft that's embedded? So let's go to the draft that's been embedded, which is this one here. And I'll just put the word test in the bottom there, just so that I can show that it's changed. Okay, so that's been changed. Let's go back into this one here, and it's not changed in this one here. So let's go back to our search. So what I want to do is I want to refresh embeds in this draft. So tap on this one here, and you see it's changed, and the word test is now in this one here where it wasn't before because I made a change. Let's go back into this one here again. So let's get rid of test. Okay, so change the word test to updated. So instead of using refresh embeds in this draft, I want to refresh embeds of this draft. Let's tap on that one there. And number of embeds refreshed is 1. So let's go back into this one here. And as you can see, the word test has been updated to updated. So that's how you embed drafts within another draft, and how you can update them once they have been embedded. And it's all done with that set of actions from Thought Asylum. It's very useful to use that set of actions, that action group you can get from Thought Asylum. This is Dave Allen from Good and Geeky. Hope you found this useful. If you have, click on the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and get more tutorials from here at Good and Geeky. Bye bye now.